YouTube, welcome back to the video. All right, let me stop. All right, so I just got off work, and y'all know by the title what's finna go on. But let me show you real quick. Let me go ahead, get the intro out. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you. So boom, obviously it's daytime, so we're gonna the sun is like right there, man. But we're gonna have some trim going around here. Yep, all right here. I know y'all hear it rumbling. Then we got going right here, right? And then we got going through the middle console. Oh yeah, all up here. You can't see because the sun. Oh, let me see. Yeah, I can't block it. Sorry. Then we gotta go through this door right here. And yeah, we gotta clean the car out. Don't mind that right there. Yeah. I was eating earlier. That's my bad. We gotta clean it out. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, guys, made it home, and this is what the LED box looks like. If you wanna get your own. Sorry, that light is literally. Let's see what this is. Nothing on the back side. So, in the next clip, we're gonna be putting them together. Yo, we're back. So, we got the lighting. This light, what the light's gonna go through, and this is what this goes through here. So I'm just gonna wire it through there, and then so I can already have it ready for later, and it'll be just easier. Let's go. Bang. All right, it's the next day, so all you gotta do is just measure out your stuff and put it in there all the way down in there. You probably can't see, and then we're gonna zip tie it right there. Zip tie it right here, and so it won't smash in the door. And I'll get back at y'all when I'm done with this side. All right, so we got the first door done. You're supposed to tuck it in. And then for Dodge owners, if you got this black strip right here, you can just put it through there. Make sure you leave a bit of excess so you can put it there. And then we're just gonna zip tie it to like this thing. The door will close. We put some tape right there. And yeah, let's do the next side. And then I'm gonna do the wiring. And then yeah. All right, hopefully the camera quality is better, but we got that. Make sure you leave yourself some room. That's what it's looking like. I'm gonna fix this right here. Keep popping out, but it looks pretty clean to me. All right, now we're on to the dashboard all the way around. I think this is the hardest part, and then we're gonna go all right here or all right here, and that's it. And then we're gonna do these wires. The longer ones go to the doors and the shorter ones go here and here. And I'll show you all that. Let's get it. I ain't gonna lie, that was not supposed to be that easy. You know, my car is a little older than the newer ones, but this dashboard was not supposed to just slide in like that, but I appreciate it. So now we're just gonna finish doing that. Yeah, see, it's not that easy, but it was easier. So now, I mean, you can see it, but you really can't until it lights up. So now we're just gonna cut this and then make sure the wires fit, and then we'll do this. So let's go. All right, y'all. So I got the wires figured out. So we got one long one going under here, all the way up, well, not on the seat belt, all the way to the door. And then I got some that's tucked under here all the way. We got one long one going all the way to that door, and then we have another one going to the middle console and the dashboard. Someone buy me a new steering wheel. It's gonna be hard. It'll look hard. But yeah, we're gonna do the middle console or whatever lights, and then we're gonna connect it all and we'll be done. Go. All right, guys, I skipped a lot of parts, so sorry about that. So we have all the wiring tucked in. There's just an extra one. can't, you can see the wires, but you can't. And then over here, you can't see the wires. And then it's all hooked up right there on that door right there. And then on that door. Let's go ahead and get to the front. So we got, oh, you can see it lighting up. Hopefully I didn't like cut it, and you can see right there. Hopefully I didn't cut it to where like it doesn't light up like all the way, which I think, don't mind this part. This right here will not, this middle part right here was the hardest part, and then getting it through the steering wheel thing was hard. So we just gotta wait till nighttime. Got it all around here. Back up, we got it from right here all the way up there. Got the remote. I got it connected to my phone, as I showed y'all, zip tied, all that. It doesn't, I can shut the door, and we're good. Let's go ahead and just, nothing in the back though. Nothing in the back. That was how much was left. Got it all in the door. I like the driver's side door. You see right here. And then it's connected right there. Hiding the wires. And then it just connects in my glove box to wire up. And I got my remote, like I said. And yeah, we just gotta wait till nighttime. So I'll get back at y'all when we get there. Got the tech on, $140 tech, boy. Yeah. Might get y'all extra little POV drive. Alright, y'all. Sorry about that. So I made the car kind of dark with this visor thing, so we're gonna go ahead and start it up. Ooh, okay. Just wait till it get nighttime. I don't know why the flash is on. Okay, that's fire. Hold on, let me get out the flash. Yo, that's fire. Okay, let's see about to change. Yeah, so it is kind of like dimmed, and like you can see where, but I kind of like it for real. Maybe it's just not dark enough. Hold up. Yeah, see, like, this is what I was talking about, like how light it is in some areas and then dark in others, like right here. But this is fire. Now I feel it. I feel it for real. Let me put the brightness up for real. Let me get y'all up there. Okay. That's way better, even though you can kind of see it. You can kind of see it up here, over here. It just has to get dark, chat. It just has to get dark. Let me do like blue. Oh shit! What's up, big shorty? Yes sir. Hold on. Let's do like a fade. Oh yeah. Okay. This is hard. This is hard. This is not a banger. Let's go red. Okay. But yeah, it definitely can be brighter. Make sure you just be careful on that part when putting it in. Let's just cut that off. Let's do like a fade 7. This is all the colors. Oh, I like that purple. Yeah, I like it like right here too. Yeah, it's definitely gonna be a vibe. I'll clean that right there. It's definitely gonna be a vibe when you come in, baby. But yeah, hold on, let me do another one. I could play with music. I got my phone. Obviously, I'm recording on my phone. Got the door. Yup. Y'all just gonna have to wait on the POV drive tonight. Can't cut up with my brother because he gone. Not gone, but like he out of town right now. So all right, I'm gonna catch y'all when it's nighttime. Yo, so this is what the lights look like. I'm actually on my way to get me lady some flowers.
Sensational.
You know, if you got a girlfriend or somebody you fuck with, get Big Shotty some what can I see? Get Big Shotty some flowers. But this is the POV, you know, if I had a lighting up steering wheel, it might be better. But this is what it look like. Y'all POV drive. And that, I know you hear them just wait till we get on that main road. Hold up, cut that off. But ain't no light in here. So there we go. If y'all want to learn how to drive, just text me, boy. We should go sport mode, but we good on gas anyway. It don't matter. It don't even matter. But yeah, this is the lights. These are hard. These is hard. Get you some, chat. I'm telling y'all, man. I'm gonna start streaming too. Make sure I go follow the Twitch. I'll start streaming and then just post some more clips of stream. But yeah, that's how we do it. Let me cut the light off so you get the real feel. Like, I put it in 0.4 so I can see it, but it won't show. It won't show for Big Shotty. Let the window down real quick so you hear that V68. There you go. There she goes. But I'm on my way. Like I said, get some flowers. This is what the lights look like. They hard. They vibe. They go with my music. I got the remote on my phone. So yeah, I'm gonna get back at y'all when we got the hottie, GTA hottie in the car.
Yeah, I got the flowers, chat. You can't see them. This red, we got a red demon.
Y'all messing with it? Y'all messing with it? Go right. Mama, be quiet.
Y'all are going to jail!
Let me get in first. Go. Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about! That's why he's the MVP! That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
Stay in the middle lane.
Yo, what's going on? We in the POV drive. We got the lights going, changing colors. We got the GTA hottie recording for us, free shader. I just whistled shit. Yeah, we're actually on the way to a little date type deal that I'm paying for. Big dog in house. But yeah, this is what the lights look like. It's such a vibe. Come get a tab in with me. Let's finna get those up. But make sure you like, subscribe. And she did like the gifts I got her. Some flowers and some chocolate. Disgusting. Cause I'm getting those up. I've been over that shit on and on. Wait. Alright, y'all know what to do. But this is the lights. Let me know. Next mod. Probably gonna tune the car. Make it pow! 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 Oh, I almost blew the engine. There we go. But anyway. Yeah, we can make the lights go police. Oh, I had a remote right here. I forgot. We go yellow. We go green on him. We go red on that David. We got red on that David.
What the fuck?
Well, I gotta see first. Hold on. Go white. Okay. We're just gonna do every color. We go green like we did. We go blue. Oh, I love the blue. I like the red too. White, that's hard. Purple or pink type shit. Blue, cyan, yellow, orange. Then we got, I think fade or something. Yeah, like that. Jump. We got a little jumping action. We got this right here. But like I said, I'm finna get up out of here. It's finna get Osage. Next mod, whenever I mod it, it's gonna be a tune or the steering wheel. We gotta get that steering wheel down. I'm working on a camera chat. Bear with me. I'm gonna stop yapping. Peace.